In today's video, I am going to show you how to organize your home, how to make fun with making the candles, and also how to make the cozy house with amazing flower arrangement and also the perfect dinner.
I ain't afraid of the dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind.
Very often on the morning I like to go out when there is a perfect weather and just sit down and have a little bit of sun, and that gives me energy, and this moment is like the peaceful moment with me, my dog, and the hummingbirds. It is so relaxing and just giving you so much energy before you start the rest of the day. So a moment before the busy day, and oh my god, those hummingbirds are so amazing. They are flying around. They of course fight between each other for the food, but the sun and the peaceful moment is the best for the relaxation. So in Poland I got used to that when there is a nice weather we grab the beds stuff like comforters and the pillows and we put them outside so they can get refreshed with the air, and I keep them usually like whole day and just pull them out before the evening. And of course the covers like the duvet, I put it into the laundry, so everything is going to be fresh and smelly and cozy. The perfect moment for the evening. It's set up on the morning.
Everybody has them at the start. Somewhere along the way they fall apart, and it makes it kind of hard to look up at the lights. When the lights go out, everything is clear.
And I had to tackle this little thing. It was too messy, and my nephew, he always was opening it back and forth, grabbing it, and then I was pushing everything back, not even paying attention where it's supposed to be. So I had to just get into it and start organizing it because it was too much mess and I couldn't handle anymore. So first, when I organize, I pull out everything and then I wipe every corner, every inch of the shelves, drawers, whatever it is, and I try to put everything back the better way, or find some kind of like a organizing bins, then they can hold everything that I need. At the same time, you just look around, okay, do I need that? Did I use that for an entire year? And if not, usually you have to toss it. And just go through it and simply decide what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep, and how to put them all together in a better way. after organizing the 2 shelves, I was like, oh wait, I need to make the candles, because all the candles we were burning them out during the Christmas, so it was a perfect time to just finish up. And this is the best way to make candles. You can do this with your kids or your grandkids, whoever you want to do it, because there is no mess. You don't have to worry about the heat like the other ones you have to warm them up and it's too hot and the kids can burn. This thing is like a sheet of beeswax, and you just have to buy the extra, like a nut to where the fire goes really, and that's it. You just have to roll it. The beginning is a little bit harder to put that all together tightly, but eventually you just start rolling them, and it is the best candle.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time.
And then you just have to grab the candle holders and just put those candles that you just made into them, and that's it. It is the easy thing to do. And then during the evening when you have a dinner, you can burn them out and do not destroy your table like I almost did. Whoopsie. And this is how you make your home cozy. The best way of having it nice, clean house, and candles that you can burn them in the coziest moments are happening for you to make your home feel amazing. And I also like to make the flower arrangement when I have a clean house. So when you buy flowers, do not just put them in the vase, please. Take care of them. My flowers usually I have them for around 2 weeks in my house. They are still fresh, yes. And what is the trick? Simple. Just before you put them into the vase, make sure they are cleaned, and in the water there is no leaves, because those leaves are going to rot the water and the flowers are going to die. And before you put them all together, prepare them. Take off the extra leaves because flowers do not need them, and then put them in your hands like one by one and try to arrange them. And another trick to keep your flowers fresh for longer is do not just put them in a vase and have them touch the bottom of the vase, because this is why they are not drinking too much water and they are dying too quickly. So this is the simple thing. And then from time to time when I see the water is cloudy getting, I just take them out, cut them a little bit more, and add the fresh water and leave them again in the vase, and they hold amazing. This is the trick I learned when I took the flower arrangement class, and I am so amazed with the flower effects, like right now, how long they can stay fresh in my home.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive in.
And this is the final view of homemade candles and flowers. And for me, this is what makes home for me cozy and warm, because I have a clean house, I have candles, and that's it. Nothing else you need. And now it's time for a dinner, and I felt like I just need the chicken liver. Comment me, do you like chicken liver? Because a lot of people, at least like I heard from my work, that they don't like it because it's tough. And no, the liver is not tough. So this is the moment I poke the liver with the toothpick, because if I leave it without poking it, it is going to burst and shoot. So the trick with the liver is to really wash it nicely, clean it up, and then just mix it with the flour and fry it. Then cut bunch of onions and just fry that everything with the onions. And when this is all frying, then just add salt. I do not add salt to my liver before I fry it, because this is why the liver is tough. When you have the liver on your pan and frying, then you can put the salt and pepper. You don't need anything else, and then the liver is going to be so soft, so delicious. And this is how the house is cozy. This is how the house feels complete, with the perfect dinner on the end of the day.
Everybody has them at the start. Somewhere along the way they fall apart, and it makes it kind of hard to look up at the lights. When the lights go out, everything is clearer. When the lights go out, I could
when you are frying it with the onions and everything, make sure that you mix it from time to time because you don't want to burn it. Like I went to do something quickly and it started to get burned, so just make sure you watch it. And it is a fast dinner because it doesn't take too much of a time to make it, and it is the perfect dinner. And I just made the mashed potatoes with it, and of course I like dill on my mashed potatoes, and they are buttery with a perfect dill taste. And as a side, I decided to use the pickles, Polish pickles, because actually for that it's the best. Pickles are the best for the fried onions with the amazing liver. Friends, thank you so much for watching and being with me today, and I will see you very soon with the next video. Have an amazing day.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel